Hey sweet friends, welcome back to another video. By the title of the video you already know that I'm about to do what's in my Louis Vuitton bag. So this is the Neverfull bag and it is just gorgeous. Now before I get into it, I'm going to tell you about the company and tell you a little bit about the bag and show you the unboxing experience, because the unboxing experience was top tier. Okay, so the company is called Luxeclone. They produce replica bags at a very affordable price. They offer fast shipping and the quality again is top notch. I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing experience because I just had to do an unboxing experience for you guys. But look at this. Look at the quality. Look at the inside. And it comes with a little latch right here so you can lock it to prevent your stuff from falling out. It also comes with this little mini purse bag that you can attach to it. Again, the quality is amazing. I absolutely love everything about the bag. Let's be real, as I mentioned before, as you guys can see for yourself, the unboxing experience was just on another level. So this is the Neverfull MM2, which unites timeless design with heritage details. It is made from supple monogram canvas with natural cowhide trim. It is roomy yet not bulky because it can fit so much stuff. And it comes with the side lace that you can grinch up for a sleek allure, or you can loosen it for a more casual look. It's slim with a comfortable handle. It slips easily over your shoulders or arm. It is lined with a beautiful red and black colorful textile. So you also get a removable pouch which can be used as a clutch or an extra pocket. And top quality, top notch bag. Great quality. It feels really nice, it feels luxurious, and comes with this little pamphlet with the details. Also get this scarf or headband. You can attach it to your bag. You can wear it around your head as a headband or on your neck, and you can style it however you want. It also comes with the dust bag to keep it safe and secure. It does not come with one but two boxes. Just look at the box. It came wrapped with a ribbon, and of course you have the box to use and store the bag in, or you can use it as decoration. So guys, I'm gonna have a link to this product in the description box along with a coupon code. You can go ahead and check out Luxeclone's website and browse all the awesome pieces that they have to offer. They have this along with a ton of other options you can choose from. Now let's go ahead and see what's in this gorgeous bag. We're gonna unlock it. I love this feature right here. It easily clips on and clips off. Now we're going to start with my little pouch that you can also use as a clutch. I love the red zipper. It's just giving luxurious. So we have a ton of stuff in there. As I said, it can fit so much more. Now it's summer and y'all know we have to have our lip gloss. This is a must. Have to keep your lips hydrated. I also have a hand cream. Okay, I suffer from ashy hands, ashy face, ashy everything, ashy ankles. I don't know, I just have dry skin all over, and maybe it's a result of my eczema. I don't know, so I have to keep a hand lotion in my purse to keep my hands from looking like I'm on a construction site every day. I also have a scrunchie, an extra scrunchie, because again it's summer, it's hot, and you may never know. I want the braid off my back when that sun hits you. Well, not sun, that heat and the humidity. I also have a extra pack of nails because you may never know what might happen. Something might come up or somebody might need it. Just easily clip on and clip off, so it's just there just in case of an emergency. I also have a travel size perfume in my purse. Tons more, because again you can never have too much. And that concludes for what's in here. You can also put your cards, extra coins, or you name it, whatever you want in it, and I've already attached it to the purse. I have my tablet because I might need it to do some work, edit while I'm on the go. You may never know. Or watch a movie word in the office or the doctor's office or wherever at my appointment. I might need to watch a movie or something, edit a video or whatever. On that note, I also have my headphones. Yes, because again, I don't want to disturb anybody if I'm watching a movie, or I can also be talking on my phone and listen to music, so much more. So definitely need my headphones to go with me. And on that note, I have a notebook. It looks a little bit rough, but it's my planner. I keep all my notes and tasks and stuff in it, so it does look rough because it gets a lot of use and with the pen. I also have another journal that's in there in case I need to write or jot down something. I have it on hand. I have wipes because again, it is summer, it's hot, and then when I go to the bathroom, if I have to go, then I need my wipes. I need wipes. I also have this travel size hand lotion or body lotion, it doesn't matter. Even though I might moisturize before I leave out, I might miss a spot or two. So if I'm in the car and a spot where my ankle might need some lotion, I have it to put it on it. Again, more lotion. I can never have too much hygiene. I also have this hand sanitizer because blah blah. Something goes wrong, I touch something, I can quickly sanitize my hands and continue about my day. Claw clips. I'm not sure what these are called, but I have this just in case I need to pin up my hair or whatever. Can't go wrong if having these on hand. Next, and that concludes it for that part. Oh, look at the detail, guys. So now what's in this little section? This little section that I keep extra coins and stuff. Like I have more lip balm because again, gotta keep my lips moisturized. I have, this is a Ralph Lauren travel size or mini perfume. It smells so good. Yeah. Hygiene is important, so in case I need a little touch up, I can quickly blah blah. Again, it's hot out there. I have some extra cash, gift card, because you know Ross is my favorite store, because I cannot go into that store and not buy anything. Cash, some coins, because you may never know, you might need a quarter or two. And that concludes what's in my Louis Vuitton bag. As you can see, it holds so much. It is so comfortable. It feels lightweight and the features are amazing. The design is just so cute. The quality is again top notch. Okay, top notch. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 10. Everything from the unboxing experience straight to the end, I would give it a 10. They thought of every detail. Every single detail, they thought about it, and they did not spare anything. They did not spare anything. You cannot look at this and tell the difference at all. The best part about it, the price was so unbelievable. Like I'm just gonna stop right here and let you guys for yourself. Look, like, now this is gonna be my everyday bag. Like I'm gonna be taking this to the grocery store, to the mall, to my doctor's appointments, school meetings, literally everywhere. It comes with a divider, so you can put things into 2 separate sides, and of course it has the LV stamp logo in there, and the zipper, they zip so easily and open up so easily. Like the zipper is so smooth. The accent detail, the gold zipper with the red, and just absolutely gorgeous. This is the perfect bag for school, work, and play. And I'm shocked I don't have any food in here now, but there will be food also in here. There will be food, gum, sweets, because I'm always eating. So I always have food. So that's it. Once again, thank you, Luxeclone, for sending me this gorgeous piece. I appreciate every single detail that you guys put into creating this masterpiece. And again, guys, if you are interested in this purse, remember to link in my description box and check out the website and use my discount code for extra savings. Thank you, guys. Until next time, guys, have a blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.